Hey guys, Direwolf Creeper here, and today we are here on Hearthstone, and as you see down here, we have 15 packs, and I'm gonna open these packs, and we're just gonna do classic packs this time. We're just gonna quickly click through them, and just like acknowledge any good cards that I get. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way, I just got Archmage Antonitis. Oh my god. I did not think I was gonna get a legendary. But there you go, guys. Archmage Antonitis. That's insane. But let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. That was good. I was not expecting that. That really scared the crap out of me. You don't even know, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm speechless now. Ah, Wisp. We still got 10 packs to go to. Oh, an epic. Ooh, I actually got that one, I think, earlier today. It was either earlier today or yesterday, but, like, that's a pretty good epic. Can't believe we got Archmage. Oh, that's amazing. We're just gonna roll right through these packs. Head crack. I don't think I actually have that card. So that might be good to have. Ooh. Oh, Golden Imp Master. It's interesting. Nothing too special. And after this, we're also going to see if I can enchant anything with dust. Oh, Swords of Justice, not that good. Nothing. Nothing. I mean, we got that one legendary. That makes up for all these packs. Ooh. I needed that. I don't think I needed that. And then we got that one again. That was a pretty nice pack opening. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.